Are you stuck and you can't get approved for a credit card? There are 3 credit cards that I will show you in this video that will not deny your application. If you're in a situation with a bad credit, maybe you don't have a credit history at all or recently had a bankruptcy, well, stick with me because I have the best credit cards for you coming right away. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, my name is Dion and I'm here to push your financial mindset towards a better reality. For those of you that are part of this community and you have already subscribed to my channel, well, welcome back and thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed yet, well, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right away. It is free and I will bring you personal finance tips and investing tips in the future. Smash that like button, by the way, as well. Let's get started. In 2020, you can probably get lost with how many credit cards you can choose from out there. Feels like almost every store and every other company out there has something to offer. Well, that is great, but if you're in a situation where you have a lower credit score, or maybe you're a young gun with no credit history, well, it's hard to get approved for a credit card and start building a good credit. But don't get discouraged. There are credit cards out there for you as well. These cards have annual fees as low as $0 and will report to the 3 major credit bureaus, which means you can boost your credit in no time. The first card on my list I want to show you today is the Open Sky Secured Visa credit card. And by the way, none of those companies have paid me to do this video and I'm not affiliated with any of those companies. So one of the easiest cards you can get approved for right away is the Open Sky Secured Visa credit card. There is an introductory 0% APR for the first 6 months, which can get you started building your credit right away. The requirements to get approved are also very simple. You need a US mailing address, social security number, and some income to afford the minimum payments. But most importantly, they do not check your credit score when you apply. So this is a great starting card for anyone that wants to start building credit history. Or if you have a bankruptcy, for example, and you want to start working on repairing your credit. You can see the link where to apply right here on the screen. It will also be down in the description. Now, hit that like button, also the share button, so the video can go out to more people that need to see this and take advantage of those cards. Next on my list is the Capital One Secured MasterCard. Now, that was one of my favorite cards when I first started building my credit history. First off, it has a $0 annual fee. Yes, that is correct. The reason I liked it is because every 6 months, it automatically evaluates your account and extends the credit line. You keep your account in good standings, your credit score rises, and you're allowed to use the card with higher spending power. Now, this card requires an initial deposit of $49.99 or $200, which is refundable. So unlike a prepaid card, a secured card is an actual credit card that reports to the 3 major credit bureaus, which helps you boost your credit score. And if you decide to close the account, you receive the deposit back. The Capital One Secured card is one of the easiest credit cards to get even after bankruptcy. As long as your bankruptcy case is not ongoing, you should have no problems qualifying. And before I give you the last card that you can apply for right away and get approved for, just a quick tip on how to properly use a credit card to make sure you maximize the benefits, especially to help your credit score rise faster. So, payment history. is probably the single biggest factor in your credit score. Are you paying your bills on time? Let me know down in the comments, please. If you're getting a credit card to help your credit score, you need to make sure you pay it on time. In addition, try not to put more than 30 to 40% of the maximum limit on the card before paying it in full. This will show the lenders that you are diligent and they can trust you, so to speak. Try to keep your credit accounts open if possible and use them regularly. Why do you think I have such a stack of cards? Because it helps build your credit history and credit score a lot faster. Along with paying them on time, you have to make sure that they're used regularly. You can't just get a card, put it in a drawer, and not use it for a year. It doesn't really help. It is a very simple method to boost your credit score and build a good, solid credit history. You just need to be disciplined and not allow yourself to overspend and not be able to pay your cards on time. So the last card that you can get approved for right away is the Credit One Bank Visa credit card. Another card that I used to have, and that is because it actually offers cash back. Yes, you can get up to 1% cash back with this card, which is not much, but it is something, right? It also offers you a free credit score check, which is great if you're in a situation where you're trying to improve your credit score, which means you need to be monitoring it fairly often. I would say probably at least once or twice a month, so you stay on top of things. The card also offers a regular and automatic credit line increase, as well as it has zero fraud liability, which means you're not on the hook for any fraudulent charges. There is, however, a $0 to $99 annual fee, which will be determined during the application process. If I remember correctly, mine was $30, I believe, when I used the card, but that is easily covered by the cashback, which is nice. So there you have it. 3 credit cards that you can apply for right away and start building a better credit history or increase your credit score with those. Let me know down in the comments which one you like the most and if you have used any of those before. Smash that like button so we can show YouTube the value of this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Not sure what you're waiting for, as I will continue to bring you valuable content that you don't want to miss. Working around the clock for you and sharing my experience as soon as physically possible. Thank you. If you have already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the like and the share button, okay? I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. Down in the description, you will find other helpful links along with the links for those cards that I mentioned in this video. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.